This is the main entrance to Q, where all of the guests come in. And this, right when you walk in, is the wall that they're having me do my mural on. This long blue wall. Step one, sidewalk chalk. Yep, Crayola, baby. The best there is. Hey, I'm 1000. I'm at Q Nightclub in Seattle, Washington, and I am just about to start this huge wall, this maybe 60 feet long mural here at Q Nightclub. Shout out to Q for having me. We're gonna make something super cool. Let's do it. Q is a nightclub in the Capitol Hill neighborhood of Seattle, Washington. They have like some of the best DJs and dance music and just wild parties here. I'm pretty hyped to have my art be a part of this because I think I have some like pretty kind of crazy, trippy, tropical, vibey art, and I think it's gonna go good with the type of experience that they offer here. So I'm super hyped they asked me to do this. Yeah, let's do it. So it's been six and a half hours of me just sketching this on the wall with sidewalk chalk. So I only have about 4 more days to finish this mural. So I think I'll try and start a little bit of painting tonight. It's dark, it's rainy, but I got the whole place to myself, which is pretty cool and also a little bit spooky. So it's the beginning of day 2 at the mural. I have my coffee, I got my supplies, I'm ready to roll. Yesterday was a nice long day. It's filled with sketching and sketching and sketching and trying to get the proportions right and trying to get the perspective correct. Using that sidewalk chalk to just freehand my concept up on this long wall. At the end of the day, I was able to get a little bit of the female character's face and hair done, which is some progress, but I'm ready to start painting for real today. I have my art assistant slash homie, Leo Shallat, coming through today to help me out, and that should speed the process up a little bit.
I'm Leo Shallat. I'm here helping 1000 on this Q Nightclub mural. Stoked to paint some clouds with the dude and make it happen. Let's go.
What's nice about this mural location is that the art supply store is just 1 block away. So I'm like, I need some more dark teal. Time to just walk a block and go get some dark teal. Yeah. Got him. My colors I need. Yeah. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful. It is day 3. Got a lot of work done yesterday. The characters are starting to take shape. Leo has been a huge help of speeding this process along and doing sort of the big fill-in chunks that are just straight up time consuming. So it's moving along. It's starting to get exciting. It's starting to look like something. Just a rainy, cold, miserable day in Seattle. I'm really glad to be inside right now. So yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing through it and just see what happens. It's looking cool so far though, so I'm pretty excited. Oh, there she is. That was fast. Hey, girl.
Hey.
What do you think?
Looks so good. Amazing!
It's you. If you were trippy and blue.
I am trippy and blue.
Okay, so it's day 4 and the mural is coming together. It's starting to look pretty dope and the female character is almost completely done. The folks here at Q have been already dropping some positive feedback, so that's always encouraging. And I'm like, yeah, keep going, make it cooler. So we're gonna try and knock out this male character here as much as we can today. And then the last day will kind of be all those finishing touches. We got 2 days left, so now it's time to get really serious and just keep pushing this thing till it's done. But we got our coffee, we're somewhat mildly rested, and time to go.
Garrison. I help with the booking, I help with like creative direction, help with marketing, help with pretty much everything that goes into like running the nightclub other than like pouring the drinks and doing all that kind of stuff. So it's something that we talked about for a long time. You know, it had just been a blank wall for forever. Yeah, it just seemed like the space was perfect for it. I mean, it's a huge wall, there's tons of space, and something that big shouldn't be left blank. We should put something there that people are gonna enjoy, give people something to look at.
The lights in here are hella cool. They're like fade from green to pink. Super dope. You know what I'm thinking? I think that this section right here would be cool if you did your design stuff that you do with the calligraphy style.
Dude, I think that would be awesome. I'd love to do that. Let's rock it.
Sweet.
雨の降る夜はなぜか会いたくて濡れたほど一人あてもなく歩く
That's it, that's the end. Just did the last step, adding these laser beams to the mural. I'm done. 5 days at Q Nightclub in Seattle on the corner of Pike and Broadway. It's been super crazy, super fun. Huge shout out to Leo Shallat for answering my call. I said, dude, I need a mural assistant. He's like, I got you, bro. So thank you so much to him. Thank you so much to Q Nightclub for having me and for wanting my art in their business. Like, that blows me away every time. Still am amazed that that's a thing. So super happy to have my art here at Q Nightclub. It's a really happening nightlife spot here in Seattle, Washington. And I think that their patrons are hopefully going to enjoy it. So far the staff has been enjoying it and I enjoy it. So that's ultimately all you can really ask for. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, interact with my channel. Yeah, it's been real. 1000. Peace out. I'm exhausted. Bye.
I'm in a